Hi, my name is Alyssa Mono, and I have disabilities. I am a member of my high school Best Buddies Council, and I am here to talk about how March is Best Buddies Month. Best Buddies is an international non-profit organization. It puts up people with disabilities with those without any, as they try to make long-lasting friendships. Some people with disabilities have difficulty with some of the important subjects in school, such as math, reading, and many others. However, they are able to do well in other subjects if you let them. I am an example because even though I may have trouble in some areas in school, I stick with them and don't give up. I am also active with after-school clubs and in theater. My friend is also an example because she is on the cheerleading team and does the same thing as everybody else does on the squad. Best Buddies treats those with disabilities as equal to those without. I hope that everyone can see we should all be treated as the same. This March, I hope you take time to participate in to spread the word to end the word campaign as we fight to eliminate the R word, which has become very misused towards those with special needs.